The content is recommended for foreign investors who are looking for excellent Japanese companies. In this article, I will explain Fuso Chemical Industries, a Japanese semiconductor-related company. Fuso Chemical Industries is engaged in two main businesses. The first is the life science business. The second is the electronic materials and functional chemicals business. The main product in the life science business is malic acid, which accounts for 50% of the global market share. This product is used in juices and food processing. Fuso's electronic materials business is particularly impressive. Fuso makes high-purity colloidal silica, an essential material for the manufacture of semiconductors, and has an 80% share of the global market. High-purity colloidal silica is the main raw material for silicon wafer abrasives, and is essential for semiconductor miniaturization. The miniaturization of semiconductors will continue in the future. In this process, sales of high-purity colloidal silica will expand further. Fuso Chemical Industries sales, operating income, and profit margin trends. Total sales and operating income of all companies. Sales growth is slow, but profits are expanding steadily. Profits are down in 2019 and 2020, but this is due to aggressive investment in plants. Fuso Chemical Industry is preparing early for future order growth, which will help drive future profit growth. Total company profit margin, ROE, and ROA. Since 2016, the operating margin has continuously exceeded 20%. ROE has also remained above 10% for a long time. Sales by segment. In the life science business, shipments of malic acid were sluggish due to the coronavirus epidemic. On the other hand, in the electronic materials business, demand for semiconductors increased due to the impact of the popularity of telework and the sales of PCs. As a result, sales of high-purity colloidal silica also increased. Profit by segment. In terms of the amount of profit by segment, the electronic materials business outperforms the life science business. The electronic materials business is losing profit in 2019 and 2020. This is because, as explained earlier, Fuso Chemical Industries has invested in plants to prepare for future earnings growth. Profit margin by segment. The life science business maintains more than 10%. And the electronic materials business has a phenomenal profit margin. Even with capex pushing down profits, the profit margin is over 30%. Changes in balance sheet. The yellow area in the graph is shareholders' equity. Shareholders' equity is steadily increasing due to highly profitable businesses. The dark blue area is cash. We can see that the company has a large amount of cash as of 2021. We can also expect the possibility of dividend increases. Medium-term management plan to 2025. Fuso Chemical Industries aims to achieve sales of 58 billion yen and operating income of 14 billion yen by 2025. Fuso Chemical Industries' profit forecast for April 2021 to March 2022 is 11.5 billion yen. With another 21% profit growth, it will reach 14 billion yen, so I think the profit forecast is highly feasible. Summary. Fuso Chemical Industries' electronic materials business boasts a phenomenal profit margin. Even at its lowest, it is over 30%. And since profits will increase along with the growth of the semiconductor industry, we can expect long-term growth in the future as well. The company has a healthy balance sheet and a large amount of cash on hand. Therefore, we can expect a continuous increase in dividends. Fuso Chemical Industries has announced a medium-term management plan through 2025, which it is highly likely to achieve. There is a low probability that investors will be disappointed and sell the company when it fails to achieve the plan. This is the end of my explanation about Fuso Chemical Industries. I will continue to introduce excellent Japanese companies to foreign investors. If you have any requests for the surveyed companies, please comment.